Hi all. So today's scenario based question is I have two object A and B, and both the objects are related to each other with master detail relationship. So now my requirement is that each parent should have only one child related to it, and if a user try to create more than one child under the parent, then it should not be able to do so, or it should be able to get an error with message that you cannot enter or you cannot insert more than one child under the parent. Okay, so how do we going to achieve this using the admin approach only? So any guesses? So as we know, both the objects are linked with the master detail relationship, so here the roll-up summaries are enabled. Okay, so on the parent object, what we will do, we will going to create the roll-up summary, and in this roll-up summary function we will select the count. Using this function we will get a number of child records related to to this object or to the parent. Okay, so now next step will be to create the validation rule, and in this validation rule we will going to check the count of the value. So if it is greater than 1, then our validation rule will fire, giving an error that you can only relate one child to a parent. Okay, so this is how we will going to achieve this. First we will create the roll-up summary, and using the roll-up summary we will get the count, and then we will compare it with the 1, and afterwards we will create the validation rule will fire as per the count.